to restore rusted iron cookware. Avoid leaving your iron cookware soaked in water for a long time. Similar to any other high quality iron item, it is prone to rust. If you notice any rust on your iron cookware, do not worry. In fact, it indicates that your Pigeon iron cookware is made out of 100% pure iron. Simply reseason the iron cookware and make it as good as new. Make a solution of half cup of water and half cup of vinegar. Mix both the solution. Spray the solution or apply it on the rusted cookware. Allow it to rest a maximum of 10 minutes. The cookware will corrode if left beyond 20 minutes. Scrub the rust away with a metal scrubber. Wash the surface with a warm, soapy water. You can see it is 100% getting cleaned. The rust is totally dissolved. Wipe it dry with a cloth. To season it, apply a thin layer of oil around the surface. We are going to season it now. Your cookware is now good to use. To prevent iron cookware from rusting, do not soak your iron cookware in water. Always wipe it with a dry cloth after every wash. Post-wash, apply a thin layer of oil on the entire surface of the iron cookware. For any more assistance, you can call back on for customer care 6364 914 202. Thank you.